Module 6. Rescue Dogs and Reactivity. Rescue Dogs and Reactivity. Reactivity, aggression, can very frequently be due to fear or lack of education in a dog, and often, in a rescued or rehomed dog, it is uncertain how much appropriate training has occurred, as well as whether any trauma may be present that could affect the way our dogs build relationships. We often do not know the full extent of the previous experiences our dogs have been through, whether negative or positive, which can lead to some frustrating behaviours later on. One thing we do need to understand when we are working with a rescue dog is that we need to perceive the world in their eyes, rather than a human's. Coming into a home full of people, being walked around by strangers, having toys, food, comfort objects, can be extremely overwhelming for a dog, often leading to behaviours such as guarding, anxiety, and frustration. Often, rehomed dogs have a lack of confidence. They may have had a lack of appropriate socialisation, which can confuse a dog in how they should appropriately act in a variety of situations. For example, if we have a dog that has had a previous owner where all men they interacted with were abusive, the approach of a man could make the dog feel uncomfortable, and they feel like they need to act in a reactive way to remove themselves from the situation or defend themselves. This is important to think about if your dog reacts to people in a certain way. Take a step back and think, have they reacted to anyone else this way? And if so, what were the similarities between the two people? A dog may have past experiences with an individual with glasses, or someone who wore big boots, or even spoke in a certain way. Dogs have the ability to remember details like the above, just like us humans.